Hello everyone, and welcome back to Destin Learning. One recurring pattern you will find especially in older software systems is the monolith design. In this video we will examine the characteristics of monolithic systems. A monolithic system is a traditional software architecture model where the entire application is developed as a single unit. It contrasts with microservices, which divide applications into smaller, independent components. While monolithic systems have been foundational, they present challenges as applications scale and evolve. A monolithic system is a large, tightly coupled application combining user interface, business logic, and data management. All components are interconnected, often using a single programming language, database, and code repository. An example is an e-commerce application integrating various features. Deployment is straightforward but challenging as complexity grows. Monolithic systems have a unified codebase, making it easier for developers to access and modify. They require single deployment, meaning any change necessitates redeploying the entire system. Components are tightly coupled, so changes can affect the whole application. They also rely on centralized data management for consistency. Monolithic systems offer several advantages. They simplify development and deployment for small to medium-sized applications. Performance is efficient due to internal communication. Testing and debugging are easier since everything runs as one unit. Additionally, they have low operational overhead with fewer resources needed for deployment and maintenance. Scaling monolithic systems is challenging. It requires replicating the entire application, even if only one part needs more resources. This process is inefficient and costly. Deployment bottlenecks occur because all components are interdependent. Small updates require redeploying the entire application, which slows down the release cycle and introduces the risk of bugs affecting unrelated parts of the system. Monolithic systems face tight coupling complexity, making maintenance difficult. As features are added, interdependencies grow, leading to a fragile codebase. Changes in one module can impact other parts of the application. Monolithic systems use a unified technology stack, making it hard to introduce new technologies. Transitioning to a new database or programming language requires a complete system overhaul. Adapting to new architectures can be challenging for businesses. Integrating modern features like microservices or cloud-native technologies often requires a complete rewrite of monolithic structures. Many businesses are moving from monolithic systems to microservices for better agility and scalability. Microservices allow independent development, deployment, and scaling of services, resolving scalability and deployment issues. However, they introduce complexities like managing inter-service communication and orchestrating deployments. In summary, monolithic systems, while foundational, face challenges in maintenance, scaling, and deployment. They offer performance and simplicity but are less flexible than microservices. Understanding their strengths and weaknesses helps businesses choose the right architecture. That's all for this video. I hope to see you in another video soon. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you would like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to our channel.